Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the display and brightness. Now let's tap on screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest one, which is 10 minutes. So all we have to do in order to set the screen timeout is to tap on the option we'd like to use. I will pick 10 minutes, so the longest option. It is immediately applied, and as you can see it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.